Make sure y'all hit the subscribe button for me, gang. While y'all let it, go ahead and jump to Instagram and follow your boy, man. We got bangers coming. YouTube, what's up, gang? It's your boy Jones and 8 back with another banger for y'all. We on this late night ride. Hold up, let me turn that. Damn, can't get copyrighted. But yeah, we on this late night ride on the way to the crib. Ain't got no gas. Need to stop tonight because I've been having to drive this motherfucker to work quite frequently. My other car fucked up. Get this little ride in. Y'all make sure y'all hit that subscribe button and that like button. Tune in for more content on the cars, man. You know we got them bangers coming for y'all. Next week we should be able to put this good old mod in that we got coming through. Stay tuned for us, man. We on the road to 150 subscribers. Thanks to everybody for tuning in and subscribing with us so far. Trying to give y'all consistent bangers. Always somebody stepping out there. If y'all don't know, I got hit from the right side when I got in my accident. So whenever a car pop out like that, I damn near shit bricks. Is that as a charger up there? That's some damn darts. Y'all can't tell me them damn darts. I think that's what they is. Dart. Shits look just like fucking chargers on the back. Can't tell me them jokes don't look like chargers on the back. Let's get us some track mode action. Hit it one time. Go on the sport, hit it 2 times, you go on the track, y'all see it, drop it, 3rd, 2nd, I wonder where we started at, where we got to, that shit got up to 7, stop and get a little bit of gas, I ain't gonna put too much in this bitch, and then, we gonna get something to eat too. So we're gonna make that part of this video and shit. Gas going back up. Shit was just down to like 270. Now that shit way back up. The goddamn, you can't see that tree right there. That shit back up to like 299 at this joint. That's why I'm glad I'm coming here. Why I always got the cheapest gas. Okay, we got a charger right here. We got a wide body. No, there ain't no wide body drink. Go on, pop the side of that nigga. Do it. It's a Street 9 too though. Y'all don't know, all the Mopar dudes, all you gotta do is hold the up gear and that motherfucker gonna go back to automatic mode. I ain't seen nobody really tell nobody that, but yeah, if you in manual mode, all you gotta do is hold the up gear on the right side of the steering wheel and that thing gonna switch right back to automatic. Now watch this, let me show y'all. Hold it, go right back to normal. That's all you gotta do. So next time y'all in a race, y'all need to drop that bitch down and go. Just hit that goddamn plus jump, hold it down, and I guarantee you that you're gonna go right back into automatic mode. We in track. We halfway to the crib. It's crazy, I always end up on pump 11. We pump this gas real quick. Turn y'all back on in like 3 seconds. At least might make that a thumbnail. But yeah, let's pump this gas right quick. Be right back. It's like gas prices. Yeah, I went with 91. Save me like 5 cents. But 91 to do. Shit, we went over. I was only gonna put 10, but we're gonna do 15. Fuck it. There we go, 1502. Y'all see the goods? Roll the window down for this start. That's what it sounds like. Alright, now where we gonna get food from? I think a cookout, so let's get it. jump hard though. High ass gas prices. Hell, I missed that light. Little dude pulling off fast. 392. Y'all see what that the 15 do for you every time? When gas is a little bit. When gas is a little cheaper. That shit that do even better. Goddamn. About to fry in this bitch. Protect for leak on me. SRT my G with 4G feet. I got my heat on me. SRT the challenges, man. SRT. Green Range Rover, that shit alright though. 12 still up here. The damn bitch, your caravan. 12 right there. So I ain't gonna OD. We'll turn y'all back on when we get to this cookout. About to pull up in a second. So, I'll be right back. I forgot to give y'all my order, man, but y'all know I got the motherfucking big double burger. No, hell no. I didn't get the big double burger this time. I got the, what I get? Spicy chicken sandwich tray with Cajun fries and chicken nuggets. Tea and lemonade mix. If y'all ever gotta go and buy me some cookout, that's my order. Don't forget it. Let me get this food. But it's a couple cars ahead of me. I ain't finna just sit here. Leaving this shit. And I got this slow ass motherfucker in front of me, man. No, I ain't going that way. It's slow here. No, I ain't going his way. When I can pull out like that. Going this way. What I'm going that way for? Lord, please turn. Fuck. Now I ain't about to fuck the video. Please let this nigga turn. Trap. Trap mode. Let's see if we can get a nigga to pull over or something. Or should I just shoot past him? Carry your ass. I ain't got no wrong, no. This car is behind me. So I really was scared to hit that bitch. I wanted to give y'all a good little lunch right there. Let me check. I don't think there's nobody. I heard them pipes. Yeah, I heard them motherfucking pipes. Alright, lunch. Got a good little slide in before. I don't never hit the gas OD though. I don't never want y'all to think that I'm flooring the bitch. Cause I don't never be flooring the shit for y'all to think that I'm going from like, you know what I'm saying? I don't know if that shit was like 0 to 30, 0 to whatever. Don't time it, cause I ain't know no timing type shit. Actually just driving. Nighttime at that. That car sat behind it, that goddamn stop sign for a little minute. That was a good little pull off right there. I know these motherfuckers in this little car ahead of me probably mad as a bitch. Like, why the fuck this nigga keep doing that behind me? And that car behind me probably like, oh, that nigga keep pulling that shit. Do it again. I'm almost to the crib, mommy. Again, y'all, we on the road to the 150 subscribers, man. Things starting to move for us. We got mines coming soon, so I'm pretty sure y'all gonna tune in for that shit. Thanks again for all the subscribers, man. I didn't think I was gonna make it to 100 subscribers, man. Y'all got me to 100, man. Appreciate y'all, gang. Get us up out of there right quick. Get us up up out of there right quick. But alright, y'all. About to get up out of here, man. It's kind of dark, and I'm almost to the crib. So again, y'all like, comment, subscribe to the channel, gang. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe for me, gang. We coming to y'all with more bangers soon.